Hello, Assalamualaikum viewers. This is Ariba Jabbar from Workspace Office Furniture, and today I am here at our head office in Gajan Town, and I am going to tell you guys about how we customize our furniture, because we have some clients who need customized furniture according to their theme, their requirements, their 3Ds. So starting from this MDF board, here we have multiple MDF sheets options available as samples for our clients who need customized tabletops. We have tactile, we have matte sheets, we have S-gloss, we have high gloss sheets. So whatever the client needs, we can provide him by guiding them about their sample board. Okay, so here we have options for our fabrics which are used in sofas, sitting pods, ottomans, even chairs. For our colorful clients, we have multiple color options available over here according to their theme, their site, their logos. Whatever color they require, we provide. Coming towards this, we have aluminium channel samples which are used in our workstations for office use, for our clients, in call centers, for our clients, wherever they need workstations. We have samples for MS powder coated frames for our tables, and here we have options for our edging, which is basically used in the tabletops, the border of the table. Thank you for watching this video. For more customized office furniture options, please visit our website www.workspace.com.pd. Thank you.